In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add embedded code to Systeme.io. Whether you're integrating a new feature, adding a third-party tool, or customizing your funnel, embedding code is a powerful way to enhance your site's functionality. We'll walk through the process step by step, so let's dive in. First things first, you'll need to log into your Systeme.io account and head over to your dashboard. Once you're there, you'll find a menu running across the top of the page. Look for the option labeled Sites and give it a click. This will take you to a section where all your site-related tools and options are located. Next, within the Sites section, you'll want to click on Sales Funnels. This is where you'll manage and edit your various funnel projects. If you have multiple funnels, you'll see them listed here. Take a moment to locate the specific funnel you wish to work on and select it. Choosing the correct funnel is crucial, as the changes you make will apply to the funnel you choose. After selecting your desired funnel, the next step is to click on Edit Page. This option allows you to make modifications to the design and content of your funnel page. Once you're in the page editor, you'll notice a variety of customization options on the left-hand side menu. This is where you can add elements, adjust settings, and, of course, insert your embedded code. To proceed with embedding your code, scroll down through the left-hand menu until you find the option for Raw HTML. This is the gateway to adding any custom code to your page. Clicking on Raw HTML will allow you to input HTML, CSS, or JavaScript code directly into your funnel page. This is particularly useful for integrating third-party services or adding personalized features that aren't available through the native Systeme.io tools. Once you've clicked on Raw HTML, a text box will appear where you can paste your embedded code. Be sure to carefully paste your code into the box, ensuring there are no errors or missing parts, as even a small mistake can cause the code to malfunction or not display properly. After pasting your code, it's a good idea to review it once more to confirm everything looks correct. Finally, after you've double-checked your embedded code, make sure to save your changes. This is a crucial step to ensure that the code is applied to your page successfully. With your changes saved, your embedded code should now be live on your funnel page. And there you have it. You've successfully added embedded code to your Systeme.io funnel. Remember, this process can be repeated for any other pages or funnels where you wish to add custom code. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!